How do? Matt here from Lancashire. This is a short video to show you how to make a simple face shield that may help protect you if you're caring for someone with COVID-19. All you need is a hole puncher, a piece of clear laminate. Now we've used a piece of white here just for the video, but make sure it's clear laminate or any kind of similar plastic around A4 size. A pair of glasses, any sort will do, they have to be new, old second-hand ones. Pop out the frames, old sunglasses will do, or even your old 3D glasses from the cinema, just make sure you pop out the frames. So what you do first of all is you measure down as these measurements show. On the landscape piece of laminate, approximately 40mm, which is about 1.5 inches on either edge, just like that. And we measure in approximately 15mm and 45mm. So that's about 1/2 inch, that's about probably 1.75 inches. Now these run in rough measurements, they're not to be exact. I was trying these earlier and just basically eyeballed it and got good results. So once you've done that, you just get your hole punch, and what you've got to do with your laminate is basically just at the edges, you don't fold it all the way across, just at your end, like that. Just put a slight little kink in it so it'll go in your hole punch. So you do your first one about 15mm, and your next one about 45mm, like that. If you've got a pair of wide glasses, as in the stems are quite wide, when you do the punching, just move it back slightly and punch again, and what you'll find you get an overload. So you do the same at the other end. Just like that. As you can see, I've got a bit of a kink. Don't worry about that. Once it's folded, it'll not make any difference. There'll be no problem. So next of all, take your pair of glasses. Using your lower holes, so you get enough space above the head, above the eyes, you pop it from this side through and back out again, and just thread it all the way on. Now you've got the difficult part. As you can see, there's nowhere that'll reach. So what you've got to do is just push your glasses out this way to about 45 degrees, and you'll find that the arms of the glasses will reach. Difficult trying to do this for the video. As you can see, it pops through. If you flip it over, you can then feed it back through that side. And that, my dear friends, is a pair of face shield ready to go. As you can see, camera magic, we've now got clear laminate. Please, please, please make sure it's clear. Now when these are being used, you might just find when you put them on, which I'll just demonstrate now, you just need a little bit of electrical tape, surgical tape, just at the side, just to stop them falling off. So please, 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 make a few of these if you can. Simple laminator, which most people have in their offices, and a hole punch. For our local heroes, the nurses and carers in the hospitals, and get in touch with your local community hub and they'll tell you where to send them. Cheers, stay safe, ta-da.